Come on.
Wait.
What is your problem?
Wait. Alexa,
Okay.
add chocolate ice cream to my shopping list.
Chocolate ice cream added to your shopping list.
Baba.
Sure? Who do the bomb for village?
Wait.
Okay, and then wait, what happened?
Alexa, what's the weather in Barnsley today?
Right now in Barnsley, England, it's 3 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies.
Jesus.
Today's forecast has rainy weather.
Okay.
High of 3 degrees and a low of 2 degrees.
They talk.
Okay.
See, I asked you to stop.
And so what in the top now you can't look the fridge this morning.
Use and I go use here. Guys.
Okay.
Who said this thing does not want it? He said it doesn't want it. The money does not want it. Who took her? Tell me again.
Okay, good. You want time. You want time. Come on, go inside my wife.
Go where?
You want
I said I won't sleep, so I'll go.
Sure?
Alexa, play me song. You go play am. If you tell us to make you sweep your car, go sweep one for you. If you tell us to make you off your TV, go off one for you. If you tell us to on my heat, you see what I don't discover for this fridge today?
Okay. Now you did since morning, nothing you do for this house. You stand there, they discover fridge.
Come on, I'm learning how to make use of money.
You do it on your spare time. Early morning, you know, no activity. You see, they learn everything.
You don't eat, you never eat.
Okay, I don't eat, but you can't spend your whole day here. They discover fridge in one
For
thing.
market, you see all of them when they get lost memory, when they remember things. As they for market, you see Alexa, what you do inside my fridge, you go tell you. What you miss inside my fridge, you go tell you. You see all those lists where you go right thing. If you still reach market, you forget.
You say, Alexa, can I see inside my fridge? So nobody, your husband don't chop the egg inside.
If you dey inside market, if people say, on your phone, they ask and say, if you see what today inside your fridge, maybe you know whether your husband don't chop the many burger.
Why you dey call my name for inside? Now when I talk, I call your name since.
Now yeah, this is so. I don't live into this thing they do this morning so. What's say no water?
See your empty fridge, not the shame.
Because
So if you to use this time, say, man, go buy things for free. You dey here, they read paper for fridge.
I don't go outside now. Tomorrow. Say, you carry water.
Okay, only you don't discover the ice.
No, they don't give us. Okay, this one a water place.
You don't discover the ice.
I don't discover am since. You see, and I people say learn. You know what learn. Yeah, now you go take filtered water.
Okay, filter
Your
water.
man show you another thing for you. You see am?
Sir.
You get choco ice. The one wey don break, give you 2 ice.
Why you bring ice now? You go press ice.
No, automatically because it's connected. Since yesterday when you own am, then he say na so you go dey produce ice. As you comot time, you go know say don finish. You go produce another one.
You just like a motor like
I
that.
don't know the one pass.
No, you press it to come out now.
You press this one. You don't press that. Now by the time
You don't know what they talk. You just she say I be monkey. You just confuse me.
wait, now I'm gonna show you.
I beg if you have this kind of fridge, is that how it is?
Yeah.
Sure.
This one